welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale haul. I got 2 bags, and then I have some other little stuff that I'm going to include, which just came in the mail recently from just right before the sale started. So I went the second day of the sale, and I was quite surprised that they still had a lot of good items left. Normally when I go into semi-annual sale, I'm really into like their perfume sets and things like that, but this year I did not get any of those. I'm going to save that for the spring semi-annual sale. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did pick up from the sale. So in this first bag here, I just got some essentials. This is a sweatshirt. I love Victoria's Secret and Pink's sweatshirts. I don't know if I got any of their pink stuff this time. I think I just strictly got Victoria's Secret. But this is the one I got. It's in black, and this is a size large. If anybody knows me in real life, you guys know that I live in pink Victoria's Secret clothing on a daily. So yeah, I picked this up, and again, this is a size large. I just wanted it to be kind of big so that I can be comfortable in this. The only thing that I wish that this had that it doesn't is a pocket down here, because I love to have a little pocket, but it didn't have a pocket at all. But it's still really cute, and again, that was a size large, and this was $15. Okay, so the next things that I picked up are these pants here, and I got 2 pair of these, and they're just in a nice navy blue color, and they're the Victoria's Secret Sport pants here, a size medium. I really love how it's like this really pretty purple, like lilac color on the butt, so I feel like that was so cute. I wish I could have found the top that went with it. That would have been perfect, but of course I couldn't. I'll go back and check to see though if I can. But again, this is a size medium, and this is just what the pant leg looks like. Just some, you know, nice lounge clothes. And again, those both were $15. I mean, look at this, guys. It's like a little crop shirt. Can you guys see that? It's like a little crop shirt, and it has a Victoria's Secret Sport on the side. It is in a size medium, so that's good. And it's kind of wrinkled up because it was in the bag. But it's in white. It was $29, so a little pricey, but I will be saving my receipt and taking it back to see if I can get a price adjustment on this if possible. The normal price was $59, so half off. Okay, so yeah, the next thing I picked up are these little pants here, and they just look like this on the front. They're white, and they have this little leg here at the bottom. Just some nice lounging clothes. And I really love that it has this little ribbon detail here. These, I think, are their sleep pants. But yeah, so this is a really cute lounge set. I don't think they are completely a true set, but they'll be fine for what I'm going to do with them, which is just lounge in. Okay, so the last thing in this bag is just this Brow or Never, and these were like $2 and some change, so I picked up one of these. It's just clear, and then they gave me this bounce back coupon here, and so yeah, 20% off. Next thing I picked up are, oh my goodness, these got a big hole in them, so these got to go back. I'm just looking at these like, oh my god, look at that, y'all. So I got to take these back to the store. I'm so sad about that. I can't have these like have a little hole in the butt. So yeah, these have to go back. These were $14.99. They would have been cute though. Look at that. Alright, so yeah, that's what they look like. I'm so mad about that. What happened to these? Oh my goodness. And so I got a lot of stuff I gotta take back to the store. I'm kind of like, my heart just hurt so bad when I saw them pants had a hole in them, guys. Oh my god. But that's okay. We're gonna work it out. We're going back to the store, and they're gonna have something good, okay? So I picked up this bag here. Let me just show you. We're in the second bag now. Okay, look how cute this is. I thought this was adorable. You know, I always pack so much. Me having young kids, I always pack so much, especially in the summer. So I decided to grab one of these for the summer months. I love having a nice, cute looking bag. So of course, Had to get something new for this year. It was only $10. Okay, so in this bag, I'm going to just show you what I got. Now, I got this before the sale, but I saw that they still had these and for the same price at the semi-annual sale. So I got this little hat, and actually, yeah, my mom got my daughter the exact same hat for Christmas, so I thought that was really cute. We can match this year. I got this, and like I said, these are in store, the exact same price. They're half off, so even better than what I paid for, because I think you paid, when I bought this, these, you bought one, got one free, so it's basically half off. So yeah, I got these two. And then I also got this one. Whoops. And this one just says pink on it. It's just a basic black. I like, you know, having a nice basic black because I usually wear a lot of blacks and grays, some blues, but blacks and grays and whites are my staple colors. Okay, and so the last thing that I got came via mail, and here is the bag, of course. So I got the blanket, and just looks like this. Let me go ahead and open this bag for you all so you can really see this blanket. I loved this when I saw it, and I just had to have it. And they had like 40% off or whatever, one item for card holders. So I went ahead and I used my 40% off, and then I had some rewards, some Angels rewards, and I used those on there. So I got this for probably like $30, which from down from $100, that is an amazing deal. So let me just show you what it looks like. So of course it's gray, and it has the pink on it like this, and the other side of it is like this gray color here. So I just loved it. I was like, oh yes, you have to come home. It's huge, guys. This is a huge blanket. So yeah, love this. But so guys, that is all that I got this year at the semi-annual sale for Victoria's Secret. Like I said, I probably will have to go back. As a matter of fact, I know I'm gonna have to go back. I'm gonna wait until I can get that price adjustment, then I'll, you know, go ahead and adjust what I can, and then return the other things that I need to return. The little pants with the hole in it, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I might go in there before, who knows. But anyway, guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this little haul. How did you guys do at the sale? Did you get some really good things this year? Let me know below. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.